Your trip in Chinatown wouldn't be complete without having delicious barbecue pork, aka Char Siu.
Last video I showed you how to make crispy pork belly. In this video we will learn how to make barbecue pork. Let's get started.
To make perfect barbecue pork, we have to choose the right part of meat. A chunk of pork belly with some of fat works best. It gives a juicy and meaty result. We got the perfect pork shoulder. Cut the pork shoulder into around 2 inches thick for fast cooking and more surface area for the sauce. But not too thin though, otherwise the pork will dry out very easily. See, this pork shoulder has very good distribution of fats and meat. Let's make the barbecue sauce. 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 2 tablespoons of hosin sauce, 4 tablespoons of sugar, 4 tablespoons of honey, 2 tablespoons of Chinese cooking wine, 2 tablespoons of garlic mince, 2 pieces of red bean curd. Also, add 3 tablespoons of the sauce of red bean curd to give the barbecue pork nice red color. Awesome! Now we have the pork shoulder and the barbecue sauce. Prepare a resealable plastic bag. Transfer the sauce and the meat into the bag, and we're gonna marinate it for overnight or at least 6 hours.
This is another day's morning. The pork is ready to be roasted. The Char Siu sauce smells so nice.
Nice! Put the pork shoulder on the baking tray. Preheat the oven at 180 degrees Celsius. Roast the pork shoulder for 10 minutes. Observe it from time to time to avoid it from being burnt. After 10 minutes, flip it over and roast for another 10 minutes. It's after another 10 minutes. Great! You can see the surface of the pork is a bit dry already. We want to give it very nice sweet taste and sticky shiny texture. What's the secret? Maltose. We apply maltose on pork shoulders to give the sticky and shiny texture.
When you apply maltose, it's pretty hard to get a spoon out of it. It is really sticky, and there's a simple solution. Put the maltose in a bowl of hot water. Wait for around 2 minutes. The heat will soften the maltose and you can easily grab a spoon.
Apply a spoon of maltose on the pork shoulder. Roast it for 4 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. Once done, flip it to another side. Apply another spoon of maltose. Roast it for another 4 minutes. Awesome! After 4 minutes, it is done and ready to serve. Fantastic! You see how beautiful this barbecue pork is? It has very nice red color with this sticky, shiny texture. The meat is tender and juicy. It is even better than those you can get from Chinese restaurant. It tastes so good. We usually have barbecue pork with some carbohydrate like rice or noodles. Why don't we make a signature dish? Let's get a bowl of rice, barbecue pork on the side, a sunny side up egg on top of the rice, some veggie, some soy sauce on top of the egg, and this is the famous classic Canton Cha dish. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe my channel. I will see you next time.